Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. My name is Salsabila Putri and today I'm going to present a topic about computers. But before we begin, I would like to express my gratitude to my English lecturer, Miss Meinawati, Dr. MPD, for her guidance and support in this assignment. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the presentation. Before we get into the material, allow me to introduce myself more completely. My full name is Salsabila Putri with student ID number 6324025 from class 632A13. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device designed to process data quickly and accurately. With its complex function, a computer is able to process information, store data, and present results that can help users in various activities from writing, calculating, to designing. In addition, computers play an important role in supporting daily activities in various fields such as education, business, and entertainment. Their speed and accuracy make computers essential tools in today's digital era. A brief history of computer. The history of computer dates back to the 19th century with Carlos Babbage attempt to create the analytical engine, which was the forerunner of the modern computer. Subsequent development brought the birth of versatile digital computers such as ENIAC in 1946 and then subsequent generation with significant improvement in hardware and software technology. Types of computer. First, desktop or PC. A computer designed to be used at a desk, suitable for work, study, or gaming, is not portable and typically requires a constant power supply. 2. Laptop, a portable computer that can be carried and used anywhere. It can operate independently or be connected to a network. 3. Supercomputer, a highly powerful computer used for performing extremely complex calculations, such as weather forecasting or scientific research. 4. Mainframe, a large-scale computer used to process thousands of transactions quickly, commonly used in banks, large companies, or government institutions. Ada 5. Tablet, a touchscreen, lightweight, and portable device, best suited for activities such as reading, watching videos, or browsing the internet. 6. Embedded computer, a computer integrated into other devices such as car, TVs, or appliances to control specific function automatically. Function of a computer. Computers have various functions including the following. 1. Data processing. Computer process raw data into meaningful information. This includes calculation, data sorting, and decision-making tasks. 2. Communication. Computer allow user to send and receive information through email, messaging apps, video calls, and network. And 3. Computer store data for future use. File, image, and software can be saved on hard drives, SSDs, or cloud storage. 4. Compute graphic and multimedia processing. Computers handle image, videos, and sound. This function is essential for editing photos, creating animation, or playing games. 5. Modeling and simulation in scientific and engineering fields. Computers are used to simulate real-world process like weather forecasting or designing complex machines to help scientists and engineers analyze outcomes. Component computer. Computer components are a collection of various parts that function in an interconnected way to operate a computer. If even one of these components is missing, the computer will not function properly. Based on their form, computer components are divided into types: hardware and software. In addition, there is also a component called brainware. Operating system and application in computer. Operating system, the main software that manage computer hardware and resources, provides an interface between user and machine. Example: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android. Key function: running programs, managing file and memory, handling input or output, providing user interface. Application program designed to help user complete specific tasks run on top of operating system. Example: Microsoft Word, Excel, Google Chrome, Photoshop. Common application types: productivity, Word, Excel, browser, Chrome, Firefox, designing, Photoshop, Corel Draw, media, VLC, or Spotify. The role of computer in various fields. 1. Education. Interactive learning media and access to information. 2. Industry and manufacturing. Controlling production, maintenance, and automating. 3. Science and technology. Modeling and simulating complex phenomena. 4. Health. Diagnosing diseases, recording patient data, and hospital management. 5. Entertainment and media. Editing video or audio, gaming, and social media. That concludes my presentation. I sincerely apologize for any mistakes or shortcomings. Thank you for your attention. In the second video, I'm going to explain what inside the computer. First, inside the computer, there is a motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer. It is a thin plate that holds the CPU, memory connectors for hard drives, and optical drives, expansion card for controlling video and audio, and connection to computer port or such as USB ports. The motherboard is directly or indirectly connected to every part of the computer. 2. CPU, the central processing unit, also called the processor, is located inside the computer case on the motherboard. It is sometimes referred to as the brain of computer, and its job is to carry out instruction. Every time you press a key, click the mouse, or open an application, you are sending instruction to the CPU. 3. RAM. RAM is your system's short-term memory. Whenever your computer performs calculation, it temporarily stores data in the RAM until it's needed. This short-term memory is lost when the computer is turned off. If you're working on a document, spreadsheet, or other types of files, you need to save them to avoid losing your work. When you save a file, that data is written to that hard drive, which, which serves as long-term storage. For hard drive, the hard drive is where software, documents, and other files are stored. It is a form of long-term storage, which means the data remains saved even when you turn off or unplug the computer. When you run a program or open a file, the computer copies some of the data from the hard drive to the RAM. When you save a file, the data is copied back to the hard drive. The faster the hard drive, the faster your computer can start up and load programs. 5. SSD or solid state drive. An SSD is a modern storage device that uses flash memory with no moving parts like an HDD. It is faster, more shock resistant, and more energy efficient. It is used to store the operating system, application, and files. 6. PSU Power Supply Unit. The PSU is a component that converts electricity from a power source into power that can be used by computer components. Function of PSU: 1. Distribute electricity to the motherboard, CPU, GPU, hard drive, and others. 2. Maintain stable electrical current to prevent computer damage. Characteristic of PSU: located at the back of the computer case, equipped with a cooling fan, has various cables for different types of connector. Importance of PSU: 1. A quality PSU prevent damage caused by power surges. 7. GPU Graphics Processing Unit. A GPU is a component responsible for processing graphics on a computer. It helps display image, videos, and animation more smoothly. Function of GPU: 1. Assist the CPU in handling graphics tasks. 2. Essential for gaming, graphic design, and video editing. GPU can be dedicated graphics card of integrated into the CPU. That's all I would like to share. I apologize if there were any mistakes. Thank you.